Chia seeds are the game changer you need for a nutritious breakfast that keeps you full all morning. Chia seeds have been taking the health food world by storm, and for good reason. These tiny little seeds are packed with nutrients, protein, and fiber, making them the perfect addition to your morning routine. By incorporating chia seeds into your breakfast, you'll not only be giving your body a boost of energy, but you'll also be supporting your overall health and well-being. And let's be real, who doesn't want to start their day off on the right foot? One of the best things about chia seeds is their versatility. They can be added to almost any breakfast dish, from oatmeal to smoothies, and even used as an egg substitute in baked goods. And because they're so low in calories, you can indulge in your favorite breakfast treats without any guilt. It's a win-win. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of chia seeds and explore some delicious and easy breakfast recipes that you can try at home. From sweet treats to savory dishes, we'll cover it all. So, if you're ready to take your breakfast game to the next level, keep watching. So, what makes chia seeds so special? For starters, they're a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. They're also high in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and support healthy digestion. And with almost 5 grams of protein per tablespoon, chia seeds are the perfect way to boost your morning protein intake. Moving on, let's get started with some delicious breakfast recipes that incorporate chia seeds. Today, I'm excited to share 4 different breakfast recipes that feature chia seeds as the star of the show. From a decadent chia seed pudding to a nutritious chia seed scrambled egg dish, we've got something for everyone. So, let's dive in and get started. Our first recipe is a chia seed banana pudding. This creamy and delicious breakfast treat is made by mixing chia seeds with almond milk, honey, and vanilla extract, and then refrigerating it overnight. The result is a pudding that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Next up, we have a chia seed avocado toast. This recipe is a game changer for anyone who loves avocado toast but wants to add a little extra nutrition to their breakfast. Simply mash up some ripe avocado, spread it on whole grain toast, and sprinkle some chia seeds on top. Add a sliced egg and some salt and pepper, and you've got a breakfast that's both filling and delicious. Our third recipe is a chia seed smoothie bowl. This refreshing breakfast smoothie is made by blending together frozen berries, banana, and almond milk, and then topping it with chia seeds, granola, and fresh fruit. It's the perfect way to start your day off right. Last but not least, we have a chia seed breakfast parfait. This recipe is perfect for anyone who loves layering their breakfast ingredients. Simply layer some chia seeds, Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and granola in a bowl, and you've got a breakfast that's not only delicious but also visually appealing. Now, let me tell you, I was a little skeptical about trying these recipes at first. I mean, chia seeds can be a bit of an acquired taste, and I wasn't sure if I would like them. But after trying each of these recipes, I can confidently say that I'm hooked. The chia seed banana pudding was creamy and delicious, and I loved the way the chia seeds added a nice texture to the dish. The chia seed avocado toast was also a hit. The chia seeds added a nice crunch to the dish, and the avocado made it super filling. I was a bit worried about the chia seed smoothie bowl. I've never been a huge fan of green smoothies, but this one was surprisingly tasty. The chia seeds added a nice boost of protein to the smoothie, and the fresh fruit on top made it feel like a real treat. And finally, the chia seed breakfast parfait was a real showstopper. I loved the way the chia seeds and granola added a nice crunch to the dish, and the Greek yogurt made it super creamy. But enough about me, let's talk about some of the challenges I faced while making these recipes. One thing I noticed was that the chia seeds can be a bit slow to absorb liquid, so be patient and make sure you give them enough time to soak. Another challenge I faced was getting the right ratio of chia seeds to liquid. If you add too much liquid, the chia seeds can become too gelatinous, which isn't very appetizing. But if you get it just right, the texture is perfect. Despite these challenges, I was really impressed with how easy it was to incorporate chia seeds into my breakfast routine. And the benefits are totally worth it. I felt more energized and focused throughout the morning, and my digestion was on point. So, which recipe was my favorite? I have to say, it was the chia seed breakfast parfait. There was just something about the combination of the creamy Greek yogurt, the crunchy chia seeds, and the fresh berries that really hit the spot. And the best part is, you can customize this recipe to your liking. Add some honey if you want it sweeter, or some nuts if you want a crunchier texture. The possibilities are endless. But what I think I love most about this recipe is how nutritious it is. The chia seeds provide a boost of omega-3s and fiber, while the Greek yogurt adds some extra protein and calcium. And let's not forget the antioxidants from the fresh berries. It's no secret that I'm obsessed with this recipe. I've been making it every morning for the past week, and I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. So, if you're looking for a new breakfast recipe to try, I highly recommend giving this one a shot. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, try experimenting with different toppings and flavors. You could add some cinnamon or vanilla extract to give it a boost of flavor, or some sliced bananas or mango for extra creaminess. In conclusion, I just want to say that chia seeds are a total game changer when it comes to breakfast. They're nutritious, delicious, and super versatile. Whether you're a smoothie lover, a toast aficionado, or a parfait pro, there's a chia seed recipe out there for you. So, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried using chia seeds in your breakfast recipes? Do you have a favorite way of incorporating them into your morning routine? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more healthy breakfast ideas and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.